Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to React Tips series. If you are coming for the first time, please do hit subscribe and bell icon for more technical tips and tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you what is JSX and how it differs from HTML. JSX stands for JavaScript XML, a syntax extension for JavaScript. JSX looks similar to HTML, but it can include JavaScript expressions within curly braces. Let me show you how it looks. This is a JSX code. So inside JSX code, we can even include JavaScript expressions. Let's say const So if you want to include this JavaScript expressions, you simply do like add curly braces and then do exp. That's it. So like this, we can even include JavaScript expressions inside JSX code using curly braces. And the next difference between JSX and HTML is class versus class name. In JSX, use class name instead of class to define CSS classes. Let me show you. Let me add one input element. Let me add same input tag here as well. Yeah, if you see here in JSX code, in order to define CSS classes, we use class name instead of class, whereas in HTML we use class. So that is one difference. And the second difference is JSX requires a self-closing tags with no children, like image or input. If you see here in input don't have any children, right? So for input kind of elements tags where no children's present, self-closing tag is must in JSX, whereas in HTML self-closing tag is not a compulsory. If you look at here, we don't have any self-closing tag. Okay, that is the second difference. With this, I'm concluding this video. So if you recap this, JSX is similar to HTML, but it differs in few places. One is class versus class name, and then self-closing tags. So and then including JavaScript expressions inside a curly braces. In JSX, we can include JavaScript expressions in curly braces, and we use class name for CSS classes instead of class, and then self-closing tag is must if the element or tag don't have any children. In case of HTML, self-closing tag is not mandatory, and then we use class to specify the CSS classes instead of CSS class name. We can't include JavaScript expressions directly inside curly braces in HTML. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share the videos if you like. Thank you.